Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our calendar time. It is Wednesday, and we are going to talk about the calendar. Okay, so yesterday we did our mood meter like normal, but we added something new. We let you guys check in so we could see your feelings. And I checked in too. And so today we're going to kind of look at those feelings of how everybody was feeling and talk about it. And remember, it's okay to feel any of these. None of these are wrong feelings, okay? They're all okay. So let's go back. And here's what the results were. Now, when you make this is called a word cloud. And when you make a word cloud, what's cool about a word cloud is the more people who do it, the more times they put a word in, it gets bigger. If somebody puts a word in only a little bit, it's smaller. So like Miss Thompson's proud is small because maybe I'm the only one who said that. Okay? But let's go over some of these feelings and then we'll talk about which ones are the biggest, which means that's the way that most people were feeling. Okay, so we have somebody said happy, 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 ha ha ha. Pleasant, which means feeling good, loving, chill. I like that one. Feeling chill. This one says happy today, happy, excited, playful, tired. There's proud. We have joyful and carefree. Now, if you look at the middle, you can see the ones that are the biggest, right? And what's this one in the middle that was the biggest one? Excited, happy, playful were the biggest, which means most of you were feeling playful, excited, and happy. And so that's good. That means you guys were having good days. It looks like several people were tired because this is a little big, and then good and chill were also kind of big. So a couple people must have felt that way too. But boys and girls, I'm really proud of you for trying this and sharing how you were feeling. It's important to be able to name how you feel so you can know why you're feeling that way. You can start to learn how to help yourself. If you're feeling angry, help yourself move out of that red zone, right? So I'm still very proud of you, okay? And we won't do the check-in every day. We won't do this every day, but maybe we can do it again next week again and kind of do a check-in like this and see how everybody's feeling and see if it's different, okay? Because our feelings are different, right? They don't stay the same every day, all day. Our feelings change throughout the day. So we can check that again tomorrow. So we had 28 people share their feelings. So that's awesome. I'm very proud of you. So today, let's just check in like we've been checking in. You can just tell the people near you or tell yourself or just whisper it and talk about how you're feeling on the mood meter. And like I said, we'll check in on the word cloud thing again another time. All right, so let's see where everybody's feeling. I am feeling I'm feeling chill. I'm going to pick that one. I like that one. That's how, y'all, I feel chill right now. Really relaxed. All right, let's keep going. Make sure you've checked in first. All right, let's talk about the date. What month is it right now? What month is it, everybody? It's April. Good. And yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. If you go on the special arts website, on our special areas website, on our Old Point website, Mr. Shivi has a Whistling Wednesday video today where you can see Whistling Wednesday since it's Wednesday. So today is Wednesday, and we are going to count to today and figure out the date. Is everybody ready to count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Today is April 29th. We have a 2 and a 9. And you can go ahead and find the 29, and you can write the 29 on your calendar. Okay, here it is right here, the 29th. And there's only one more day left in April. It is tomorrow is the last day of April. And then we will celebrate a new month on Friday. All right, so let's say the date together. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Awesome job, everybody. All right, let's keep going. And then we have one more thing. We have Aliso's birthday tomorrow. So we'll celebrate that. And then in May, I'll put all the May birthdays, okay? All right, so the weather today, let's see what the weather is. When I look out the window right now, to me, I see clouds and sun. So to me, it looks partly sunny right now, I think. So we only had one partly sunny day, so I'm going to erase that one. And I am going to color in another one. And remember, this is adding. We had one, we're adding another one, and what do we have now? Yeah, now we have 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 2 partly cloudies now. Oh, so what just happened? Yeah, partly cloudy and cloudy are equal now. They're both 2, they're equal. And snowy and windy are equal. What do we think is going to have the most for all of April? Definitely sunny. Even tomorrow, if it's one of these other things, this can't be beat. So this will be what the weather was the most, which is pretty cool that it was sunny. Let's check the weather. Let's see. So right now, look, we were right. It says it's partly sunny, partly cloudy, and it is 57 degrees. It says that later it's going to be 80 degrees, which is warm, and it is going to have maybe an afternoon shower or two. So it might rain. And look, here's the rain. We can check that and see where it's coming from. All right, so we hit play. So you can see right now that, remember, we're right here where the hand is. But do you see the storms that are kind of coming? I heard that the storms in Texas, over here in Texas, were pretty bad, and this is the storms. And it looks like they're kind of moving through Louisiana now and kind of swirling this way. So they might come towards South Carolina. That might be the rain, this little bits that we get later. We'll see. Remember one time we said it was going to rain and then it didn't rain. Last week, I think. So we'll see what happens. Okay. But right now, there really isn't any rain. All right. We can go back to the calendar now. And let's go to this page. So let's talk about how many days we have left in kindergarten. So we're going to take one away. And when we take away, what was that? Was that addition or subtraction? That was subtraction. We took it away, so we subtracted one. And now, how many days are left in kindergarten? You can go ahead and figure it out. All right, so let's count by 10 and see if we get what you got. Ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes, so it's 24 days left in kindergarten. Now, how many 10s did we have? 1, 2, good. And how many 1s do we have? Yeah, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 24. We have the 2 for 2 10s, and we have the 4 because we have 4 1s, and that makes 24. Great. All right, so now it is time to practice some snap words. So I have a list right here of some snap words we're going to practice writing, okay? Going to erase all these, and you should be on a new page or have a blank paper if you ran out of pages. I can't remember how many pages we put in that calendar packet. So if you ran out of pages, you can just write it on another piece of paper or find some room on another page and write it there, okay? All right, so our first word today that I want you to write is on. Try to write the word on. And remember, we want to write these in a snap if we can, kind of quickly. O-N. And the reason we want to write them in a snap is because when you're writing a story, these words shouldn't take you forever. You should be able to write your snap words quick. Now, if you're writing, I rode on a elephant, and elephant should take you a little longer because you need to stretch out elephant. That's where you need to focus your time. These little snap words, we need to write those in a snap. Okay, what about the word for? Not the number 4, the word for. Like, I went to the store for apples. For. All right, it's F-O-R. For. Good. All right. Now remember, if you don't know and you forgot how to write one, it's okay. Do what you know, and then you can check it when I write it. You can fix it. All right, what about the word day? Like, it is going to be a beautiful day. All right, it's D-A-Y, day. Great. What about the word no? My mom said no. That's a short word. Yep, it's N-O. Good job. All right, what about the word or? Like, do you like dinosaurs or unicorns? Or. Yep, it's O-R. All right, what about the word said? Said. My dad said, I love you. Said. All right, ready? It's S-A-I-D. Said. Great. All right, we have 3 more. What about the word big? Now, big is a CVC word, so you can use robot talk if you don't know how to spell big. If you already know it, just write it in a snap. Yep, it's B-I-G. Big. Good. All right, our last 2, I want you to write he. He. Yep, he is H-E. Now, what about she? When we're talking about a girl, we say she. How do we write she? Yep, it's S-H-E. Great job practicing your snap words, you guys. Let's go ahead and read these, okay? On, for, day, no, or, said, big, he, she. Great job practicing. These are all words that'll be helpful to be able to write in a snap and read in a snap. All right, so we're going to talk about a new number of the day, and that'll be the end of our calendar today. So yesterday we talked about number 8. We talked about how to make 8, right? Well, today I'm going to do a new number. So I'm going to erase all of this. And our new number is going to be, what's that number? 5. So we're going to talk about ways to make 5. Ready? So you can help me and you can draw and add them and see how many. So let's make 5 this way. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there's 5. How did we make it? How many blue circles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. So 4 plus what? 1 equals 5. Yes. Good. All right, ready for another one? What if we did this? What if we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? How do we write that one? So how many blues did we have? We had 3 plus what? 2 equals what? 5. So far we found out that we can do 4 plus 1 equals 5, or we can say 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good. All right, so let's do this. Oh, I need to change it to the marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who remembers what this one will be? Yep, so this one is 5. We have 5 plus what? 0, yep, equals 5. So those are some ways you can make 5. All right, so that's what we did today, was the number 5. Tomorrow we'll do a different number and some new words. But I'm very proud of everybody for all their hard work, so keep it up, okay? And let's have a wonderful Wednesday.